Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Camaro. Camaro was developed to be 21st century on every level, from its awe-inspiring design to its outstanding performance to its impressive efficiency, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, front license plate bracket, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, leather shift knob, panic alarm, cloth seat trim. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.